SBI interest loans. What are interest rates of SBI loans? From the website, for their 504 program, interest rates on 504 loans are paid to the increment above the current market rate for 5-year and 10-year U.S. Treasury issues. Maturities of 10 and 20 years are available. Fees totaling approximately 3% of the debenture and may be financed with the loan, though it is a little more complicated for the 7A loan program. Interest rates may be fixed or variable. Fixed rate loans of $50,000 or more must not exceed prime plus 2.25% if the maturity is less than 7 years, and prime plus 2.75% if the maturity is 7 years or more. For loans between $25,000 and $50,000, maximum rates must not exceed prime plus 3.25% if the maturity is less than 7 years, and prime plus 3.75% if the maturity is 7 years or more. For loans of $25,000 or less, the maximum interest rate must not exceed prime plus 4.25% if the maturity is less than 7 years, and prime plus 4.75% if the maturity is 7 years or more. Brought to you by www.unsecuredbizloan.com.